right, welcome to this training. In this particular video, we are going to be looking at how to insert a video into Microsoft PowerPoint. So how do you use video in PowerPoint? Video is part of the object that you can present in your PowerPoint. So let's say you want to talk about a subject matter, and then so you put your title. So you are talking about, okay. So let's say that's your presentation, and then you have maybe your name. Okay. So now you can create a new slide, and then pick your video. So you can see that we have 6 object options here. So you can see picture, you can see a smart art graphic, you can see insert cameo, which is your camera, you can see insert video, and you can see insert table and then chart. So I will go with insert video. So for video, it means you have to look for the video you have and then bring it up, okay? So I am not going to be able to use most of these videos. Let me see if there is anyone that I can use. Okay, so you insert your video, and then so I'll pick one of my training videos. I'll just pick one of my training videos, and then I'll click insert. So this is one of my training videos, and I want to use it as a presentation. Let's say I want to use it as a presentation in another program. So I can give it a title or change the layout. So I'll go to layout, change it to blank, and then let the video fill the space. Okay, let the video fill the space. So we have designer on the left side trying to suggest to us maybe we can redesign the face. But I think I'm okay with this. So the presentation title, you can change the slide. So I'm using designer. Designer is part of the object of Microsoft 365. So you can always have it, have access to it. Once you come up with your presentation, it will show on this side. But if it's not showing, go to the home tab and then come this far way and click designer. You see designer. Okay? So home tab, you see designer. All right. And if you click design tab, you also see designer at the far end there. So that is, if this is not showing here on your own system, you can always click that designer there. All right. So you can see that my presentation is ready. So all I just do is I can customize this video. So I'll click on the video, go to the top where we have video format, click at the top there, then I can customize the video. And maybe I want it to show this way, show that way, or this way. So it's a matter of choice. Then we have quite a lot of things there. Then playback option. You can set the playback, you can set the volume, maybe high or lower or medium. So you can set the volume. You can tell it to play full screen. Then you can tell it to loop or rewind after playing. So all these are options that you can use. But for this time, I'm going to just go straight to slideshow, and I'm going to say from beginning. So the slide, the presentation has started, and the video. Okay, welcome back to the class. Now, in today's video, we are going to be looking at the future value. So you can see that the presentation has the video. So what it means is that you can send this as a file to anybody, even as a presentation to be used for a particular audience, or your audience that maybe where you are not going to be physically present. Okay, so that's how to insert a video into the Microsoft PowerPoint application. So see you in another session, and bye for now.